You could be messing my life in a pole. I made your verse by the time of the chorus. There's no need to change any sentence. You always decide where I go next. Many nights you would hide from the audience, and they were not in terms of progress. In the end, you're a fool active journalist. The times that you sing in the bed. Damage distortion, wearing death like a cape or a costume. Cut your ties and leave time when you want to. Killing time to life as if the chamber of the room where you keep my replacement. So fed upstairs starving on paper. You know him, but he's seemingly better. Somebody requested. What's it like for you in Washington? I've only seen photos of Washington. I'll never know. Leave me Manhattan, I want the evergreens. Write me a song I can sing in my sleep. But as sure as the rain that will fall where you stand, I want you and the skyline is our domain. What's it like for you in Washington? I've only seen photos of Washington. I'll never know.